Hello, you all beautiful people. So guys, as you all know, now I am associate with the KS Academy, and thank you so much for all the love, blessing and comments which you guys have showered on the yesterday's video which I have posted on Arjun Chhabra vlogs. I'll be sharing a small clip of my happiness for all those who are not aware of this fact of my new association with KS Academy. After that, I'll be sharing the best faculty for all the three levels of CA, foundation, inter and final, and specially for CA intern. So let us have a look on a small clip. After that, I'll be sharing our best faculties.
On behalf of KS Academy, I take immense happiness in welcoming the future pillars of KSA Mumbai, our beloved teachers. This well-known faculty is a company secretary, law graduate, and also a graduate in commerce, and has been teaching to CA, CS, LLB, LLM students for the last 5 years. He's an expert in corporate laws and is also known as law celebrity among the students. He has been awarded various awards by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India for the best speaker and the best presentation. He was a rank holder in college throughout the law graduation. I now welcome the budding law rock star CS Arjun Chhabra sir onto the stage, please. I also welcome Banvar Borona sir to felicitate our dear faculty.
Very good evening to all of you. Good evening. Currently, I don't have words to express my feeling. Generally, being in such a young age, I always have a thought that I should get a better platform where I can have a good jump to a career. I always feel. But a couple of weeks before, Aditya sir called me, sir, I'm Aditya from Chennai, and we are offering you to come at KS Academy to teach law. We have heard about you. So I felt very good. I was not aware of KS Academy at all. I am not aware of Sarvanan sir as well. So once Aditya sir told me KS Sarvanan sir is a founder of KS Academy. So I visited to the website. I have seen such a nice building and such a strong team, senior faculties. Oh my goodness! So I was I felt so blessed. I'm going to be associated with such a nice people. So after that, I watched Sarvanan sir video, and Aditya sir told me that Sarvanan sir teaches 10,000 students in a year, and such a down-to-earth person, Sarvanan sir. I bow down to you, sir. There was not a taxi in our hotel to pick us, so Sarvanan sir itself come to pick us, me and Aman sir. So currently, what I am feeling I am much happy that I am going to be associated with such a nice people. It's a very good thing for me, and I'm very thankful to Sarvanan sir. Sarvanan sir is giving me an opportunity to get associated with KS Academy, and I'm going to teach in KS Academy Mumbai. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, and I'm looking for a long-term association with all of you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
So guys, thank you so much once again for all the love and blessing. And अब वो वक्त आ गया कि मैं आपसे शेयर करूं the best faculty for CA intern and final, and as well as for foundation, but especially for CA intern. So guys, in CA intern we have Banvar Borana sir for direct taxation. He's very famous faculty for direct taxation. He teaches DT in inter as well as in final. We have Praveen Sharma sir for accounting and FR in final level definitely. Sanjay Saraf sir for SFM in final level. आरती लाहौटी मैडम इज नोन एज अ गॉडेस ऑफ ऑडिटिंग. वो इंटर में भी ऑडिट पढ़ाती है, फाइनल में भी ऑडिट पढ़ाती है. के सर्वनंद सर, ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ केएस एकेडमी. सर्वनंद सर अकाउंट्स पढ़ाते हैं फाउंडेशन, इंटर, फाइनल में. वो केएस एकेडमी मुंबई में भी फाउंडेशन इंटर फाइनल में अकाउंट्स पढ़ाने वाले हैं। अर्पिता मैम विल टेक केयर ऑफ लॉ इन फाइनल लेवल। निखिल जोबन पुत्रा सर फाइनल लेवल में एफआर एंड एसएफएम पढ़ाते हैं। और मैं जो हूं आपको तो पता ही है, मैं फाउंडेशन इंटर फाइनल तीनों लेवल पे लॉ पढ़ाता हूं। तो केएस एकेडमी मुंबई में भी मैं फेस टू फेस में भी पढ़ाने वाला हूं, आपको मेरे वर्चुअल क्लासेस भी अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे। अमन खेड़िया सर मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं फाउंडेशन में। विशाल जैन एंड प्रवीण जैन सर विल टीच यू आईडीटी in inter level, and Vishal Jain and Praveen Jain sir, they both are practicing company secretary, so you guys will have a nice practical exposure of their practice. Professor Jignesh Chadda sir teaches EIS and SM. Omkar sir teaches economics in foundation, and Professor Shubham Agrawal sir teaches maths in foundation level. So guys, these are one of the best and famous faculties of India for inter and final as well as for foundation definitely. So आपको इनके रिगार्डिंग डेमो लेक्चर्स देखना है सर, एक्सपीरियंस जानना है सर, कैसा पढ़ाते हैं, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, कौन से सिटी में पढ़ाते हैं, ये सारी जानकारी आपको मिल जाएगी। आपको क्या करना है, आपका नाम, आपका ईमेल एड्रेस, आपका फोन नंबर, आपका एग्जाम मंथ, ये सारी डिटेल मुझे भेजना है 6262621438 में। क्या क्या भेजना है, नाम, ईमेल एड्रेस, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, आपकी सिटी और आपका एग्जाम मंथ, ये सारी चीज आप मुझे भेजें। मैं आपके सारे डेटा को मैं मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा एंड दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू गाइस नीड। सो गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।